Let me show you how to check and replace the dampening straps. Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. You will need to remove the front panel and the top panel. Check all the dampening straps. If any of them are broken, you need to replace them. Let me show you how to replace them. Using a 5/16 wrench, you need to remove this screw. Then remove the broken piece. You also need to remove this screw from under the mounting plate. You will need to use a 1/4 inch socket wrench or nut driver to remove this screw. Go ahead and remove it. Then remove the broken piece with the plastic holder. Grab the plastic holder and hook it up to the new dampening strap like this. Then put the screw through it. This is the way that it should look when you finish putting it together. Now it's ready to be mounted. Set the plastic holder with the dampening strap in place and screw in the holding screw. Set the other end of the dampening strap in place and screw in the holding screw. That was a way to remove and replace the dampening straps. Use the same technique to replace any other dampening strap that need to be replaced. Install the top panel and the front panel and you're done replacing the dampening straps.